Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to connect your Grass account to Bitget, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is, so let's do it. Okay, so connecting Grass to Bitget is relatively easy. So the first thing you need is obviously a Bitget account, and what you need to do is make sure that you have a KYC verification. Okay, so this means that your account is verified. If you go to the top right hand side of the screen, you'll go and hover your cursor over your profile picture and you will see this verified badge over here. Once you've done that, you can go into wallet, which is also on the top right hand side. It's this little icon, and you're going to go and click on deposit. So from here, you're going to have to select what you're going to be depositing, so your coin as well as your network. So let's go ahead into coin over here, and we're going to type in Grass. This is what we're looking for, and then you need to make sure that you're choosing the correct network. Now Grass runs on Solana, so let's go and choose Solana, and there is your deposit address. Now all you need to do is either copy this or use a mobile device and scan the QR code, and then you can deposit Grass funds into your Bitget account, and that is how it will be connected. I hope this was helpful.